This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Rubzin. Amazing house in Coulwood Hills. This charming well-maintained ranch has all the features you're looking for and more. Fantastic curb appeal which sits on 0.7 acres and a comfortable open floor plan. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, this house is ready for you to move in and start living the life of leisure you deserve. The covered front porch is great for relaxing. Ample storage options exist between the garage and carport as well. Quick access to I-485 and Brookshire Freeway. For more information, review the details below.